Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to use booking.com real photo feature. So to use the booking.com real photo feature, partners should upload high resolution unedited photos via the extranet properties. So what you have to do is go to one of your web browser and then go to booking.com extranet. Once you get into the website, log into your extranet account and then go to the property tab and select photos. Now tap on add photos to upload high qualities, authentic and unfiltered images from your device. Now for a more immersive experience, use the 360 photo feature in the gallery to show a, for example, 360 panorama of the living room. Now use the tagging feature to label photos with specific amenities and room types such as living room or restaurant. You can drag and drop your best photo to the main spot or use the smart ordering feature which allows AI to select the best photo for conversions. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.